A stunning medical breakthrough for tens of thousands of people fighting a deadly form of cancer.
WDRB Stefan Johnson tells us about the clinical trial that's changing and saving lives. Stefan?
It's a small cancer drug trial, but it's having a huge impact on people suffering from rectal cancer.
The idea of finding that this is an effective treatment for these rectal cancers is very impressive.
In a recent study at a New York hospital, a cancer drug delivered unheard of results. Patients took the drug called Dostarlimab for 6 months. The results of the trial were stunning. Every single person was cured. Scientists say these kinds of results are very rare. Although the news is also very hopeful, Dr. Douglas Nelson with Hematology Oncology at Norton Healthcare says there are a few caveats.
Some of the important caveats that have been pointed out is that this was a study of 14 patients. And so you always have to be cautious when you think about a small number of patients and whether that should be extrapolated to the entire population or a much larger group. But nevertheless, to see 100% of the patients in this study that had a complete response to treatment, where at the moment there doesn't appear to be any evidence of residual cancer, and they did not have to undergo surgery and they did not have to undergo radiation treatment, which would often be standard treatments for rectal cancer. That was certainly very, very impressive.
This immunotherapy is typically used for what's called locally advanced rectal cancer. So that's stage 2 or stage 3. The standard care for that typical treatment is chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery, and sometimes significant disabilities. But this immunotherapy, none of that was necessary. I'm Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.